Picture Guide Tutorial. Add media. Click on Vehicle Media Management. Click Add Media. Select Vehicle Video. Select Vehicle Images. Checkmark as completed. And now click Update. Now your picture updated successfully. Search your vehicle stock number. Go to Inventory. Search Vehicle Stock Number. Now go to Website Management. Search here your stock number. Check Website Listing option. From Dashboard, go to Vehicle Management. Search Stock Number. Click Force Add Media. Select Vehicle Images. And click Update. Pictures are updated successfully. Now go back to Inventory. Search Stock Number. As you can see, it is updated. Now go to Vehicle Management again. And click Force Add Media. Select another desired image. And click Update. Now go to Website Management. Update or edit media. And here you can add or delete images. Thanks for watching.